boy band. We're on our way to our next fun-packed day here at the Design Week in Milan. Behind me, Baptiste and Sanne.
Hi, hi.
Hello.
So we're the happiest trio in Milan today. And our first stop will be at Central Station. We're going to see the project by Hans Lensvelt together with Maarten Baas in containers at the station. I'll tell you more about it in a minute. This is the exhibition at the Milan Design Week by the Dutch designer Maarten Baas in collaboration with manufacturer Hans Lensvelt. I'd hoped to talk to Maarten Baas here, but unfortunately he's off playing football with a number of other designers such as Richard Hutte, so he's not here to tell me about the story of this exhibition. He is showing his new chairs in a sound installation in a warehouse that is one of 129 warehouses along the edges of the train tracks behind Milan Central Station. And I must admit, it's spectacular. And it's also really fun to see the way they've put these chairs out to invite people to sit down and listen to this sound installation, which really is just noise, but because you're invited to sit down and enjoy it, you see people sitting here enjoying it as if it were a concert. It's quite an experience. Amazing what you find here sometimes at the train stations. Lego games, Lego Friends, Star Wars, underwear, raspberry colored stockings, and of course a whole assortment of stuff that you need for your phone while you're traveling. Well, you'll never lack for anything at an Italian train station. I'm here in the Lambrate design district of Milan at the Salone, and this area used to be an area where the factories stood that made espresso machines and scooters, the Lambrate. And I wrote about this area when it was just up and coming as part of the Salone, and now, whoa, it's not up and coming anymore. It's totally arrivé. It's packed. It's packed with people, with cars, and of course with design.
You're welcome. My name is Jasper. I'm creative chef, and I'm here at the Milan Design Week to fulfill my dreams. I have this mission as a chef. I want to bring food into the museum. So I'm using the Milan Design Week as a canvas to create a co-creative art piece with my dinner guests. So I created and designed tables, and they are in a composition. And I ask my guests to enter the composition and be part of a video installation. So by eating in the composition, they will be part of my dream.
Yes! I'm so happy. Every year I come to Milan to replenish my supply of these little candies. They're my favorite candies. I call them little lemon thingies, and I always have them with me. So I'm here to get my yearly stash. Ikea Festival at the Milan Design Week. It's huge, it must have been hugely expensive, it's a very impressive branding experience. But at the same time I wonder, what does this really have to do with design? It has more to do with selling your stuff. This is a project on climate change and on the way we are destroying our planet by the Milanese photographer Anne de Carbuccia. She has her office here and someone also lives here. This is their swimming pool, but it's now been set up as a gallery for this extensive photo project of de Carbuccia about the future of our planet. This is the supermarket, completely designed and furnished by the design school in the Danish city of Kolding. And I think this is absolutely a wonderful project. Everything here is made from trash, such as the yogurt is made from fur left over from mink breeders. The sage is made from leftover shoe production. The salami is made from furniture production, and one of my favorites here is the electronic soup, which of course is made of leftover electronic components. Everything here, everything you see, the eggs, the minced meat made of course of scrap metal, and even the vegetables are made of something that would otherwise be thrown away. The asparagus, for example, made of low energy light bulbs. And how about these super cool lemons made of light bulbs? Kolding has done a great job, and it's obvious that they're very popular because everyone is here and everyone is having a good time. This is the end of my second day at the Milan Design Week. I'm in the area of town called Lambrate. This is the place where hot young designers are able to show their newest ideas. I see the area changing in the years that I've been coming to the Salone. It's now not just hot, crazy, impossible conceptual ideas. It's now also a lot of commercial products and things that are easily found on the market. So I feel that the cutting edge aspect to Lambrate is gradually disappearing. It's as if Lambrate is gentrifying. There's still a lot to see, and I'm still here for another 2 days, so it's going to be fun. There'll be more to tell. You can see the vlog of my first day on the site of Connecting the Dots, and also on my own site, tracymetz.nl. See you tomorrow.